Hello, this is Eli Brooke with Productive Style, and today I want to share with you a very simple spread to do meal planning. This is going to be part of our yellow and teal theme that I'm doing this month, and I'm really excited to share with you just a really easy way to plan your meals for the week. I start off by making a grid on the paper of all of the different days of the week and then meals and snacks. So one of the things during the pandemic that we've been doing a lot more of is meal planning and prepping and just getting ready for, doing a lot more cooking. It's been nice to try out tons and tons of new recipes. Do you have a favorite recipe from this year? If you do, link it below. I'd love to see, and I'll share a couple of my favorites too. So starting off, just creating kind of just this simple table, and what we'll do is we will have a space for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Sometimes when I do these, I add another column for snacks, and then just have the days of the week. And what you can do is you can think about how to, perhaps reuse meals, reuse partial ingredients. For example, one of the things we really like is a nice salsa chicken in the crock pot. And that can be used to make tacos or nachos, or could be topping for a baked potato. So there's lots of different ways to reuse, and if you see all your meals kind of lined out and planned out, you can get some variety built in, and you can kind of think about how to do things. So I decided I will go ahead and add that column for the snacks as well. So sometimes it's nice to have a pre-prepped snack. To finish out the spread, I'm going to be doing just some cute little flowers in here, and I will be kind of drawing these impatiens. So impatiens are super easy to draw. You just start off with kind of that open dot in the middle, and then do 4 leaves. They can be a little bit jagged or a little more rounded, whichever you prefer. And then I usually like to add kind of a pointed leaf off to the side just to kind of decorate, and then I always add the little curved lines on the inside to give the flowers a little bit more of a 3D effect. So one of the other things that we've been doing a lot during the pandemic is kind of batch ordering our groceries. So there's a ton of groceries for canned goods and frozen goods that you can do to help you shop a little bit less often as well. So if you're interested in kind of learning a little bit more about that, let me know, and I could do a quick post sometime, either blog post or video, and share some of those techniques on how to shop less often. So it's a huge time saver, and it's just really simplified things a lot this year. So you can see I'm going to be filling those in, and then we'll be adding some color. So some of those pretty yellows and teals. So I'm going to let some music play, and as I finish out coloring this, but I hope you like this video. This is a really simple spread. A lot of mine coming up are a little bit more complicated. So if you're interested in planning and bullet journaling, please click that subscribe button. I would love to have you along for the journey. Every Tuesday, I do a Creative Tuesday video, which is a fun creative watercolor project or painting or drawing or just any kind of craft project. And then on Thursdays, I do a planning video for Planner Thursday. And there's going to be some really cool spreads coming up. I've already been working on July, and I cannot wait to show you. I'm going to be using some new materials and just doing some really different kinds of spreads in July. So I can't wait to bring you along on that journey. For the doodle videos that I post over on Instagram, I'm thinking about bringing those over to YouTube as well. But if you haven't checked me out on Instagram, please follow over there to get the little quick doodle videos. We're going to be doing a beach and ocean theme for July, so that's super exciting. So anyway, I hope you liked the spread. If you did, please take the time to follow along, click like and subscribe, and I will see you soon. I hope you find lots of time to be creative in your day, and you have a wonderful week until we meet again. So thanks so much. Bye.